Alrighty, Abdul, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the rear stump off hand. And we've got an air gap on this. Good fuel 750 MSD Pro Billet. Innovators West dampener. Go in there and make a run. See how she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3600s, 501 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 538, peaks horsepower 563. So pretty impressive, really. It's our 575 combination, but with an air gap on it. So really still runs pretty good upstairs. So what we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You basically have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need anything from us, flip it over. It's got this QR code. It'll take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. It'll help your installation. Have a great day.